I'm 11 Alive storm tracker meteorologist Melissa Nord. There was a strong, shallow earthquake in Haiti this morning. Preliminary estimates magnitude 7.2, but the depth only 6 miles under the surface. And this is a very shallow depth. So when you have shallow earthquakes like this, those seismic waves reach the surface very quickly, and it can be more abrupt, almost like a bomb going off in terms of the shaking just out of nowhere. It doesn't take as long for those seismic waves to go through the Earth's crust and reach it to the surface, but rather it happens very abruptly, and it can be very intense shaking that you get with very shallow earthquakes such as this one. For perspective, this is kind of the location, the yellow circles, of where today's main earthquake and aftershocks are versus the 2010 quake, which was closer to the capital city of Port-au-Prince. Now, why is Haiti and the island of Hispaniola very vulnerable to earthquakes? Is because it sits between two tectonic plates, the North American tectonic plate and the Caribbean tectonic plate. And within the island of Hispaniola, you have some smaller faults. And the one that the 2010 quake was, and the one from this morning likely was as well, was along this Enriquillo fault. Now, this type of fault, we have different types of earthquakes that can happen. This type of fault is a strike-slip fault. So if you think about the two little plates along the fault zone, they move like this. It's not like this, a thrust, where we can end up getting tsunamis, but it would have been a very quick release of a lot of energy. So the earliest estimates from the U.S. Geological Survey is that there potentially could be significant fatalities. We're seeing a lot of building collapse photos and videos already circulating on social media.
Foi foto abay na lo téléphone man da. Téléphone man da mbap ka entrer al téléphone man.
Oh, papa. Mon so je ou na téléphone.
Ça me faut comprendre pas que téléphone là même c'est ça me.
Ya, ma vol balé.
Ça me téléphone là dedans. Comme petit l'eau bêche, il pas bon de glacer.
O table m'a fait passer la zami ka la craser même. Ou regarder les gens là la frère.
En pile, pour le moment, en pile, cas écrasé au caille. Bon, certainement, il y a un pile qui blessé dans l'arrière, un pile mouvement aller-retour et comme ça va aller. On va demander de travailler fort.
Cosmopolite casé, il y a une partie dans Cosmopolite casé. Et ça, c'est Cosmopolite. Nous regardons là, il y a une partie casé dans la zone filoire. Et ça, casé net. C'est terrible. Et surtout à Foneneg. Déjà, ça, c'est Cosmopolite, première image. Après le terrain. Et Cosmopolite qui est en bord, qui est casé net. Ok, ça, c'est Cosmopolite dans la là qui est tombé.
Wondam men, ouais pied dame. Wondam. Wondam. Wondam push, on va bras coupé, ouais pied dame.